Hello, I am John Goodpasture, the Director of Environmental Health and Safety at Briggs Equipment. We are the material handling experts, and this is not possible without having safety ingrained in everything we do. Today is National Forklift Safety Day. Forklift safety is an everyday occurrence at Briggs Equipment, but the Industrial Truck Association recognizes today as a time to educate everyone about the importance of training operators and pedestrians who work around forklifts, ultimately preventing injury and saving lives. As one of the largest Hyster-Yale forklift dealers in the United States, we want everyone to be safe while using a forklift. We hope this informational video will help you understand the hazards associated with forklifts and share ways to protect your team members. Thank you for your time and commitment to safety.
Powered industrial trucks, commonly referred to as forklifts or lift trucks, are among the most common types of equipment in the material handling and construction industries. These machines are essential in making it easy to move heavy materials, ultimately improving overall business efficiency. There is a forklift for just about every need. Electric counterbalance riders, narrow aisle lifts, pallet trucks, internal combustion trucks, and rough terrain trucks are all forklifts and have the same requirements for safe operation. Operator training is an OSHA requirement outlined in 29 CFR 1910.178. It is the employer's responsibility to ensure their employees are competent to operate a forklift, as demonstrated by the successful completion of a training course and evaluation. Training topics include OSHA requirements, pedestrian safety, stability, lockout, tagout, proper transporting of loads and proper stacking, refueling, and review of law and regulation statistics. According to OSHA, 85 deaths in the workplace each year are due to forklifts, with tip-overs responsible for 42% of those fatalities. It is the most common accident in the workplace. Loads exceeding the load capacity, driving on slopes or uneven terrain, and turning with elevated loads can all result in tip-overs. Operators should always be trained and qualified on how to avoid tip-overs. They must understand forklift stability and how the center of gravity changes with different loads and certain events. A forklift has 3 points of stability: the 2 front tires and the pivot point on the rear axle. If you draw a line between these points, you get the forklift stability triangle. As you raise and lower loads, make quick turns and tilt the mast, the center of gravity shifts inside the stability triangle. The center of gravity must remain inside this triangle or the forklift will tip over. The best way to visualize forklift stability is to create a stability pyramid. Start with the stability triangle, with the top point of the pyramid extending just above the operator's head, lined up with the top of the mast. These 4 points create the stability pyramid, but the 4th point is not stationary. The stability pyramid grows taller, shrinks and skews as the operator raises and lowers the load and adjusts the mast. Keeping the center of gravity within the stability pyramid will keep it from tipping over. One thing covered in all forklift training classes is the importance of a pre-operation inspection. This is done to ensure the lift does not malfunction and potentially cause major damage or injury. OSHA requires that all forklifts be examined at least daily before being placed in service. The pre-start check looks at a variety of items, such as fluid levels, leaks, cracks, or any other visible defects, including hydraulic hoses and mast chains, tire condition and pressure, including cuts and gouges, condition of the forks, the load backrest extension, safety decals and data plates, operator manual is on the truck, and that all safety devices are working properly, including the seat belt. After completing the pre-start check, we should conduct an operational inspection with the engine running. This inspection includes brakes, steering, drive control, tilt control, hoist and lowering control, attachment control, horns, lights, and backup alarm if equipped. Any problems must be recorded on the pre-shift inspection and to your supervisor. After completing the pre-shift checklist and verifying there are no safety concerns, the lift is now ready to operate. Operating a forklift is an important job and one that requires a combination of knowledge and skill to operate safely. Understanding the risks associated with forklifts will help operators to make an informed decision. The topics covered can help improve the safety of your operations and company as a whole. Forklift safety can be an overwhelming task, but Briggs Equipment is committed to providing tailored solutions. Contact your local account manager to discuss your forklift and safety needs.